moving into another new trend, which the learning world and especially ours, corporate learning, is going to get a taste of very, very soon. And it is aligned to the session that we did on social learning with Just Jag. So what we are saying is that in the coming time, who's going to make the content? I'm sorry, HR and training guys will no more need to create the content. So who's going to create it? The users are going to create and curate videos. So what does that mean? It means this. Now I'll share with you an example of some of our work. We worked with an organization where it's a mid-sized organization, and it has a large sales and a service force on the ground. Now the problem with this company is that people who've stayed in their jobs of sales and service for over 10 years now have all the knowledge. And if they are tried from the company, they take with them all the knowledge that they have gained, all the experience, all the troubleshooting tricks, and other things that are required for a person on ground. So a new person joins in, he goes on the field, he gets the same types of challenges, and it takes for him the same amount of time that the earlier person spent uncovering the same questions and figuring out the same workarounds, things like that. So what we are saying is, in the times to come, what is going to happen is that people who are on the ground will have the capability to create videos on the go, in which videos that add value to other people by the means of showing them a new way of doing things, or fixing a broken machine, or just talking to a customer in a certain way, or just taking a certain route. So it could really be anything that can help other people do their jobs better, and typically works best if the whole team has been trained to create videos and user generated content, which other people can share, like, comment, and learn from it. So it's a collaborative social learning experience style, which is going to hit, which already is actually being used in most top organizations, and many organizations will now follow suit. So gone are the days of structured learning programs. Workforce of the future, which are Facebook and Instagram generation, will believe in sharing and learning. So if you have a social learning enabled LMS, you can have all these users create videos and curate videos that they can share with others. This is the new way of creating knowledge base inside the organization. This is the future of how videos will be used in progressive organization. So guys, this is a whole new concept, which is called distributed authorship, or user generated content, or social or collaborative learning, or user generated content. So things like these, they are topics and ideas that are going to come to us in the future. Organizations who are able to adapt to these will be the quickest in terms of decreasing the learning curve of a new guy, and making sure that the experience does not, of a person who stayed in the company for very long, when that person leaves, the experience and intelligence leaves with him. They are going to put a block on that by using this technology.